Hello, this tutorial is about how to get onto NewsELA and log in. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your classwork page. You'll scroll down to Reading. Under Reading, you'll see there is a tab for NewsELA login instructions. Click that. Then the instructions are as follows. Press this link. Press Already Have an Account. Log in using your Google account, which is the same username and password that you have for Google Classroom. I'm going to click this link. It says sign in to join Mulcahy HR. We're going to click I have a NewsELA account. Then I'm going to click sign in with Google. Then it's going to ask me to choose an account, and I'll click my Google account. Then it'll ask for your password, which is capital CKB, and your lunch number. If you need that, please email me and I will send it to you. And you'll click Next. Okay, now I'm on my NewsELA. This is exactly the steps to take to get onto your NewsELA account. And now you can read the articles that have been assigned to you on your template for today's work. Thanks for listening.